Hey folks, look at SharperTrades. Market kind of quiet, waiting for the Fed's meeting this week. Nevertheless, market for some of the tickers we follow had a big day. So the SPY now is still below the 50 simple moving average, which means as long as we remain below that, we are in bearish territory. The ATMA, the short-term support, it's holding nicely, so we're getting a bit of a squeeze. Let's see what kind of formation we have in the next few days. The technicals are still weak, volume is weak. So again, we are in a tendency of waiting for the Feds to make their decision regarding interests. Support on the SPY 501, this Thursday low, 497, the super tight, and then 492. Resistance, I'm looking for 516 and 525. Apple moving up today, received an upgrade with a price target of 195. So a lot of potential for expansion. This one came down very heavily. It got a bounce of the, it's a mid-channel, but let's call it channel bottom just for technicality. So channel bottom got a bounce, crossed the ATMA. Today popped the 50 SMA backed off. It's a longer upper shadow, which means selling pressure. However, as long as the 50 SMA holds, there's a potential to form some consolidation, maybe some lower shadows, filling this gap, which is 171. And then eventually, if it breaks through 178, the targets are 182 and the 200 SMA, red line. Above that, 187, 191, and then the target that this analyst gave it, 195. Looks strong. I like the volume today, bullish. Baidu, Chinese company, is strong. Came off the 94 triple digit and today popped the 50 SMA on the news that they're partnering up, they did some kind of collaboration with Tesla in China. And so that's why we saw the move, big volume. This one looks like wants to go. Attempted the breakout, backed off, still below 107, 108. And I like the look of this. I'm looking for 112, 117, and the 200 simple moving average. Support is the 50 SMA, and then below that, triple digit 100. But for me, the 50 is what needs to hold. BILI, Chinese company, is a swing breakout, quiet. I like that it's now above the 200 simple moving average. I need to see more volume. First target 1413, above that 1560 and 1750. Support 1250 and 12. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.